Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Let's talk about market research, right? So how do I go do product market research, new launch product research, things like that, right? Well, it's going to seem silly, but I will tell you right now, as my dad calls it, the Googler, Google's your friend. I mean, it's a wonderful tool that you can get so much data and so much product data to research what that product is currently doing, whether it's online or offline, in today's market. There again, we're in this open source data market now. So we have so much information that is readily available for us to get that data on a new product or a service, because the fact is there really isn't a such thing as a new product or service today. Somebody's already done it. I mean, unless you're Elon Musk putting rockets up in space, that's a different thing. But Google's your best friend. Use it. It works. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.